what's up? It's Leanne Peard, social media trainer, and I've got some exciting news to share with you today, and that is the release yesterday of Instagram TV. So that's IGTV. This is a new app that Instagram has launched. You actually have to download it as a separate app, which is fair enough, but it's all about video content, video. And if you haven't heard me speak before, I'm all about video. You really need to have video in your business today in order to be found. And we can see the trend through Facebook Live videos, and now Facebook Watch, and now Instagram Stories, and now we've got Instagram TV, which is really exciting. Now it's exciting for a number of reasons, and my first post on Instagram TV is this video to celebrate the success of Instagram introducing this amazing platform for us all. There's a number of things. On Instagram alone, we could only upload a few minutes of content. We could go live on an Instagram story for up to 2 hours, just under 2 hours. But the Instagram app, the Instagram TV app, and I have no idea why my computer keeps beeping, I apologize, actually allows us to upload up to an hour of video content in the Instagram TV app, which is really cool. So what does that mean for you as a business owner? Well, again, I'm going to reiterate the fact that we need to have video content. Now, I was listening to Gary Vee this morning, and he said, you know, people struggle with content, and I see that when I'm training my participants to become social media managers. I see them struggle with the creativity of about what am I going to post today. So I believe what Gary says, it's all about not creating content, but it's about distributing information and storytelling. So when you think about what you do in your business from day to day, from moment to moment, from minute to minute, you are actually doing what people want to know in your business, because you have this stream of awesomeness, as I say, that you know about your business that other people don't. So why not let people into your business? And a couple of ideas came up this morning, you know, working with people, training their staff in different takeaway or, you know, food outlets. I realized that it's not about the food that they create for me to buy, it's about the processing, creating that food. So for people in that sort of industry, maybe think about how you can share the recipes, because we know recipes are really highly sought after. So that's just one cool creative tip that I'll share with you today. But let's just delve quickly into what Instagram TV is. It's a new separate platform. It's an app that you need to download separately from the iTunes Store or Google Play. It only plays video. It is connected to your Instagram application, the original Instagram application, so people can watch it and link back. So you don't have to worry about people getting lost from Instagram TV to Instagram app. The other thing is it's vertical. So, you know, I've got a lot of friends that are videographers, and they actually shudder when they see vertical iPhone or smartphone video, but it's actually designed for us in this vertical world. So it's perfect for us in the busy business world that maybe doesn't have video technology or, you know, massive I don't even know what they're called, 4x cameras, those things. So you can do it straight off your iPhone, which is very important when you're sharing behind the scenes and what you're doing. So we already know that over 80% of people watch video, but more than those actually watch video on their mobile app. So this is where Instagram is embracing the trend in technology. The one thing that I love about it is when I do an Instagram story or post a video on an Instagram story, and people would say swipe up, you needed to have 10,000 followers to actually have that feature. With Instagram TV, you don't need to do that. You can swipe up and send people to all sorts of different marketing links, landing pages, your store, your Facebook page, whatever, which is really cool. Thanks Instagram for that. So it looks a wee bit different. So what I'm going to do is actually stop this, and I'm going to take you into the Instagram app and show you how it works. But I would strongly suggest or coach you to go over and create your channel on the Instagram TV app. It is the new thing. It's just embracing technology for you and your business. Don't be scared about being on camera. Maybe turn the camera around the other way so people can't see your face if you're really worried about that. But this is my first video on Instagram TV to celebrate the success of Instagram TV and vertical video, which is really cool, as my computer still beeps in the background. If there's any Mac users out there, please tell me why that stupid sound keeps popping in. But anyway, I'm going to pop over now and show you how to actually navigate the app. See you in a minute.
Me for your chance to enter to win this month's giveaway and the signed copy
Well, that's an example of what it is like playing. So we can see here, we can continue to watch the videos that I've already seen. There's a TV going on in the background, so most popular. I can choose my own ones. I can choose channels that I'm following. I can go and have a look at what is currently popular in, you know, the Instagram TV space. And like I said, I can move over and have a look at what I have stopped playing, very similar to Netflix. I can then search, so whatever keywords or whatever you would like to watch, and I'll use recipes in this instance, I can search recipes, or I can search whatever keywords I like to see if there's a channel, which no doubt there will be, playing inside Instagram TV. And then some channels are private, you have to ask to join, others will be open to the public. So this is Instagram TV. Now, in order to actually connect your channel, you've got to select the cog to link your Instagram account, but the little icon picture there that you can see of mine, if you select that or push that, you can actually create your own channel.
So that's it. How super cool is that app, you know, and what you can do. And it's very, very easy in the layout and the features, so it's not hard to navigate, and it's not full of ads at the moment. So guys, jump over, download Instagram TV app, create your channel, link it with your Instagram profile. The two social media platforms you should be using this year is Instagram and Facebook, and you should be using video. If you're not, I'm sorry to say that you're going to get left behind in the whole video world. You know, social media is really exploding with video. People want video content. People want to see you and your awesomeness and what you can offer with your business. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel on Instagram TV, wherever that is on this video. And I will see you all guys soon. Have a brilliant day. Ciao for now.